There are some changes to plastic bags, and how they're used here in Texas.
Yeah, a decision impacts some Valley cities, a decision handed down by the Texas Supreme Court, as Channel 5's Daisy Martinez discovered, and that Supreme Court ruling doesn't necessarily translate into an immediate change in the policy.
A decision to repeal the bag ordinance is still in limbo. Brownsville's former mayor says the AG is forcing the city to move backwards. For 7.5 years, shoppers in Brownsville have been using reusable bags to take home their purchases. For 6 of those 7 years, if they didn't bring reusable bags, they had the option to purchase plastic bags for a $1 environmental impact fee.
Las bolsas de plástico que estaban dando las blancas están contaminando mucho y por eso están ahora dando las reusables que uno las tiene que comprar, pero a veces uno no tiene para comprarlas.
The city ordinance was passed in February 2011. Former Mayor Pat Ahumada was the driving force behind the plastic bag ban. The Texas Supreme Court ruled banning plastic containers as a form of waste management is illegal. Ahumada is disappointed.
We're going to regress to what it was. There'll be a few of us in the minority who will continue to take your reusable bag, but we'll be the minority, and the impact on the environment is going to be tremendous because we were producing like back then, like 500,000 bags a day.
Brownsville Assistant City Manager Art Rodriguez tells the city commissioners will meet July 17th to decide what they need to do to be in compliance with Texas law. He says the ordinance was first put in place due to litter clogging city drainage. Rodriguez credits the man for the minimal flooding the city had during the heavy rains 2 weeks ago.
And in Brownsville, the lack of plastic bags in our system have contributed greatly to our ability to recover faster from flood conditions. Plastic doesn't break down, and plastic is really obtrusive to the flow of water.
Shopper Mary Hernandez hopes the plastic bags make a complete comeback.
Pues a veces viene uno deprisa, ¿verdad? Y pues no traes tu bolsa y aquí pues vienes y ya tienes en qué llevarte algo para no llevarlo en las manos.
Rodriguez hopes if city commissioners vote to repeal the ordinance, the city continues to prefer reusable bags. Ahumada is hoping now legislators will take up the issue and try to change current waste management laws in the state to allow cities to be able to put these type of ordinances in place. The town of South Padre Island also has a bag ordinance, and officials there tell us attorneys are reviewing this ordinance. Laguna Vista did away with their bag ban last year. From the Cameron County Newsroom, Daisy Martinez, Channel 5 News.